Hey, man, are you the chulo?
Me? How?
You see, so
В этой рекламе нет ликвидации коллекций, потому что Алиса ничего не продает,
Алиса, где дешевле?
а просто ищет цены в интернете.
good. I'm on live. All right, those on the live YouTube, can you guys hear me? Do you guys hear me? Um, all right, how many people do we have on Zoom? 5. All right, so let me know if you guys can hear me. Um, then let's start something quickly. All right, Elvis, we can hear you loud and clear. All right, great. So, how is everyone doing? Those on the Zoom, how are you doing? If you just joined us, how are you
Bro.
doing? I hope everyone is fine. Everyone is doing well.
Yes, yes.
All right, great, 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 great. All right, so as usual, when we come here, just like, we are currently 87 people watching this. Let's boost the like up a bit, right? Let's boost the like up a bit, and kindly let me also know where you are coming from. Also, let me do know where you are coming from. I'm from Nigeria. All right. All right. So today we are going to be doing forex stocks and more of synthetics too today on the live streams. You guys know I do trade every New York session. Today is 22nd February 2022. Like I said, we are going to be trading forex, synthetics, and stocks. Right? No options. We are not trading options today. So we are just trading those three markets. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube. This is going to be a technical and fundamental analysis, and I'm also going to be giving free signals here. Ask questions, share ideas. You can also give what you think about trades that we are going to take here. Give your suggestions on this comment section. Have fun as you learn and earn. Follow me on all my socials, Elvis Justice Official _ and on my Twitter, Man of Serendipity or Elvis Justice Bedi. Snapchat Elvis Justice Bedi, do add me up. On my recommended broker is Eagle FS. I don't force anyone to use it. If you want to use it, you can use it. That's the broker that I pick up my trades with. And there's a broker for synthetics. Deriv, that's the only broker that trades synthetics, VIX, step index, and all those stuff. That's the only broker that trades it. You can also join my free Telegram community if you are not with this link. And this is the most important part of this whole thing is I'm not a financial advisor. All content I provide here is strictly for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk, apply proper risk management always. Chidi is, it's my birthday, guys. Happy birthday, Chidi. Happy birthday. Should I sing a happy birthday song for you? Happy birthday to you, to you. All right, so Ghana in the building. I'm from Dubai. Okay. Which part of Dubai? You guys really love beef. I'm from North Carolina in USA. I'm from Accra, Kenya. Pro Bono Hype GH, I see you. I'm from Rwanda. Okay, South Africa, Sunyane, Ghana. This is my first time of watching. Eagle FX. What? Please do give away. Yesterday was bad. Kenya, voter, Ukraine. All right, so let's go straight to the chat. So let's make the likes at least 120. Let's get at least 120 likes before we do start. Joyzy from South Africa, I see you. Zambia, Michael Blaze, I see you. Obuase, in Kumasi or something. Yeah, I see you. No song today. There's a background. I don't know if it's playing. Crash 1000 is a good buy. We would see. Emmanuel, what's up? Alright, so let's take the likes. Do like quickly. Let's go straight into the chat. Do like quickly. Let's take this to 120. Quickly. Global Revival China from Ukraine. Nice to meet you, bro. Faso from Lesotho. Great. Always first chat should be Euro JPY. The sales are doing. Should we buy? I don't get it. Like should be over 150. Yes, it should. Always gold is a spiritual. I can see you are not spiritual. You know, this year I've taken is it 5 or 6 gold trades, and I've won just 3 out of them and lost 3 out of them. No drawdowns. You know, so I have bad record with gold this week. This year, 6 trades, 3 wins, 3 losses. You know, for me, I'm not going to hide away from my results. I want you guys to know how I'm performing. I always done that too today. Always done that too. Okay. This rapper Kanye West. Okay. But we're not talking about rap. Okay, so 1 to just 10 more likes and we do start quickly. Kumerica. Eagle FX doesn't have mobile money. Yes, it doesn't, but it would next month. Presla Chira the highest. God bless. Always first. Okay. Yesterday was bad though, but I resold again and made some profit. So let's just take this 120. 120. Let's go straight to the chats. All right. Thanks for 120. Let's start with fundamentals. Today is it Tuesday or Wednesday? Today is Tuesday. Yeah. All right. So today is Tuesday, 22nd of February, 2022. There's no fundamentals yet. That means anything we are going to trade today is going to be on. It's going to be on technicals, purely technicals. So let's go straight to the charts. Let's do a review of yesterday's trades that we took. Yesterday we took which trades did we take yesterday? GJ, right? Those that joined us or those that watched us, let me know. Chairman, who's showing working? I don't get it. You mean a chairman who shows working? Yes, that's what we are here for. To learn and make money, you know. Sometimes you are going to lose too. Sometimes. I said we took gold. Let's analyze gold again. So this is what happened on gold. Yes, sir, we took the sells on gold, but I think we should have waited for the sells to break, below this before we'd have. But it is what it is. We took the sells, we were in profit, price came back to break even. So those that moved their stop loss to break even, secured, trade went back to their break even. But those that didn't, especially me myself, I didn't. I was fast asleep when I woke up to see gold. I said stop. I'm like, wow. And immediately it hit stop loss, came back to entry, and it's currently playing around the zone. So we took a bad L on. I took a bad L on gold. So if you realize, after I took the L, I quickly came to post a US 30 trade, which I made 250 points. So we took a bad L on gold and later made 250 points on the free Telegram page with US 30. Whatever the market takes, the same market gives it back. The same market gives it back. So you only have to, all what you need to do is you need to apply proper risk management. Make sure your risk management is in check. You calculate for when there's a stop loss here. Let's say this was the entry, right? This was the entry, this was the stop loss, right? You have to do your calculation. If this, in case this trade hits stop loss, what will happen to my psychology? Am I going to lose the whole account, or am I going to be okay? I was okay yesterday, even though I hit stop loss on gold. I was still okay, and I came back to make 250 points on US 30. So, and I've been explaining how US 30 works. 250 points would it be equal to what? Those on the Zoom.
2,500 pips.
Yes, 2,500 pips, right? So if you're a forex trader, you can maybe stick to 250 pips, because forex traders, that's what they know. But when you come to the game of stocks, we just talk about points, right? And we took one trade on odd USD too. Yes, let's go look at odd USD quickly. All right, so we took a trade on odd USD. Hasn't hit stop loss, but in a current drawdown, it also came to profit. No, odd. Did the sell stop get activated, guys?
It did, and then it went back up.
All right, great. So the sell stops got activated, came into profits, and trade, bounced back to entry, and is currently playing. How many pips? I'm still holding odd USD though. By the way, I'm still holding it. Just in 9 pips drawdown. So currently running minus 9 pips. So that's going to be our first trade for today. Odd USD stop loss 40 pips. CP 110 pips. All right, that's risk reward is to 1 is to 2.8. Okay, 1 is to 2.8. All right, let's talk about the next pair that we are going to talk about some few pairs too today. I made some nice preparations for you guys. Our first trade, we are going to take Euro USD, and I'm going to explain why I'm going to take Euro USD. Let me delete this. We caught this move previously on the live streams, but past results doesn't really matter now, right? Past results doesn't really and would never matter. Right, on the 1 week time frame, what do you see? Those are my Zoom streams. I think some of my students are here. So what do you see on the live on this chat? There's a 1 hour time frame. What do you see? What do you see on the 1 hour time frame? Let me just break it this way so you try to understand something. What do you see on the 1 hour time frame? Just pure price action. No need to explain anything from the 1 week. Just what you see on the one hour time frame. Let's learn something.
I think it's ranging.
You think it's ranging? Okay, great. So who thinks differently?
It's a downtrend still.
It's ranging higher highs.
It's ranging, and ranging is higher highs, higher lows. Okay. Who else thinks differently? Those on the live streams, you can also share your views. Let's learn.
I think the last bit is a downtrend.
Okay, someone says this is a downtrend. All right. So do we have a trend here, or do we have a ranging market? Let's agree on that.
It's a full range, no trend. It was a full range.
It's more of a range. A lot of rejections.
Rejections. Someone is saying there's a lot of rejections. But look at this clearly. Is this really ranging?
No, but that's if you move it back. Yeah.
or is a downtrend? Let's agree. Market
It's ranging.
structure
I
is
wish
king.
I
If you don't understand market structure, it's going to be very difficult to trade, right?
It's clearly ranging.
This is clearly ranging. Okay, great. Okay, so this is clearly ranging. Now let's talk about which time frame do we use to check for the trend of the market.
1D, 4 hours, 1 hour.
All right, cool. So what is the 1D saying? I intentionally came to the 1 hour to test, some stuffs. All right, so what trend is this here on the 1D? It's a downtrend. Do you get it? So it's a downtrend on the 1D and it's also a downtrend on the 1 hour, because look, this thing is falling. It has formed series of what? This is a downtrend. It's falling. It has formed series of what? Lower lows, a lower high, a lower high, lower low, a lower high. What are we to expect from the market? A lower low to the downside. You just understand this now. So now what opportunities are you looking for in the market? Just look at the 1D time frame.
Trading opportunity.
Bearish.
You're looking for a bearish, opportunity. So then there you've tried to understand what opportunity you are looking for in the market without even drawing a trend line, without even drawing a zone, without doing all these things that other people are selling to you for $35. You just try to understand this. Market structure is always king. Without even applying a knowledge, you know what you're looking for in the market. Do you agree with that? So now let's look for entries. Now let's work on our entries. Now we come back to what time frame is best to look for entries. Let me not even. What time frame is best to look for entries?
like 15 minutes. Smaller time frame.
Maybe 1 hour, I think, maybe.
Smaller time frame.
Smaller time frames are for what? Okay,
Smaller
great.
time frame.
All right, so I love 30 minutes, 15 minutes, but let's work with the 30 minutes. But let's try to do our analysis on the 1 hour time frame. Now there's a downtrend. We are looking for selling opportunity, but is this going to be the right time to take this sell? What do you guys think?
No.
Is this going to be the right time to take this sell? Price has rejected this whole level. It has rejected this. It has rejected this. Is this going to be the right time? Look at the candle formations. It's currently ranging, right? It's with candle formations. Do you think this is the right time to take this trade for a sell? Can we take an aggressive sales?
No. Because I think they using the candle formations, they are not really giving a clear sign of the direction.
Candle formations are not giving real sign of the direction. Now, all right, nice idea, nice suggestion. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, take it. Don't take it.
Yeah, Elvis, I think we should use the boss strategy. When you break below, we sell.
Okay, we should use a box strategy, but there's no box here. There's nothing here to draw. Look, this has rejected this. I'm not.
That's
See,
why I was saying higher highs, higher lows. Like it's just simple price action. It's coming down.
It's coming down. Great. We are not talking about that now. We are trying to figure out, is this trade a trade that we should take now? I mean now.
Okay.
Let's look for entries. I want people to know how to also build their entries. And today, like I said, today I want us to learn. We don't just come on live streams. I always sense a signal. We lose money, we make money, and it ends there. There's not going to be any impact. Someone says, Elvis, you still the beef. I'm not beefing, but what I'm saying is true. This is something that you can watch from the charts without paying $35 to anyone or paying $50 to anyone. It's for free here.
I will take a trade if it breaks the week like that. previous week.
Yeah,
Dope.
that's how heavy stakes his entries. Yes,
Yeah.
if it
Dope.
that's what
I
Yeah,
would
that's
also
what.
take a sell if this candle closes below this week. Candle
Yeah.
formation. This now gives you a clear what?
Reason for entry.
Clear reason for your entry. Because I don't
Elvis,
see any reason why you want to take a sell with this candle. What if this candle rejects and goes up?
It's too obvious for itself. So anything
It's
can.
so obvious for a sell, and this is the time that a lot of people would be taking sells. This is what happened to me on odd USD. Let's go back to odd USD. Odd USD. Look, the actual entry shouldn't have been here. The actual entry shouldn't have been here. The actual stop loss shouldn't have even been here. Shouldn't have been here. The actual stop loss should have been somewhere here. But I just took the aggressive entry and I paid for it. Let's go to gold 2. The actual entry for gold 2 shouldn't have been, shouldn't have been. We took a trade somewhere here. The actual entry should have been what? Here. Let me just put it here, something like this. This was yesterday. The actual entry should have been here below this. This whole support has been broken. Then we can see price going down. You could see price came back here and it's still rejecting. That means there's a strong what? Support here. So after I lost, I went to the chart and I was trying to understand what is the market or what is the chart communicating to me. And I found out that okay, so there was a strong support here and price couldn't break. You could see when price got here, it rejected, right? When price it didn't even get to the support, it rejected and it's going up again. And price has been rejecting the support. So why was I looking for sells when there was a strong support here? Do you guys get me? So sometimes I always say the obvious is obviously not what?
obvious. Yes,
It's
it
not
didn't
obviously
occur to me at
obvious.
that point in time.
I know every trader will be looking for sells here. Every trader will be looking for sells. Always let's take a sell because why? The price is saying that there's a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower. That is what all books are going to tell you. You draw one trend line here, another trend line there. Price gets here, buy, they buy. Price gets here, sell, they sell. Price gets here, buy, they buy. Price gets here, sell, they sell. Price gets here, they buy. We pay for a $35 course. The course will tell us that price gets here, we should look for what sells. Buy low, sell high, and we now sell at high. Everyone is selling. Let's sell. Boom, then they sell. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not against this. But I mean, if this was how the market is, everyone would have been making easy money. It's not just about identifying the trend and telling me that there's a downtrend, so price should sell. You should also look at the next thing. What is this candle thing telling you? What is this candle formation telling you? Do you get me? What is this candle formation telling you? And I know a lot of people would have been taking an aggressive sells. But we now need more confirmations to take this sell. And what is the confirmation? We await price to break below a support. There's been a support formed here. So we would now put our... You can see there's been a support formed here. This whole zone. With what I taught on my course, key levels and those things, definitely when you plot from the 1 week there, you guys would get it clearly. Do you get it? So this is telling you that price is playing in a liquidity area. There's no need of what you taking a sell now. You have to what? Be patient enough. Because price can come for your stops before what? Going down again. Look at what happened here. Price, everyone took a sell because price has broken below this level. Institutional trading, this is what I need to teach you. Everyone will now be taking sells, and what happened? Price now comes to hit what? Their stop loss. So everyone will be taking their entry here, right? This will be everyone's entry, every retailer's entry. Am I lying? Entry, our stop loss is going to be here. And where would our TP? Our TP is definitely going to be here. But what happened to the market price? Price came into profit, went back to hit our stop loss before the move actually happened. And this is something that has been happening in the market for a long time. So whenever I say it's not just about trends, yes, market structure is king, but it's about entries. So now let's see the opportunity here. Yes, we are looking for sales. Definitely, we are looking for sales. A nice downtrend, but we are also very careful with our entry. We want price to break below this. Price shouldn't just break. Another candle should form before we take a sell. Or price should, this wick should what fill. You could see it has closed. It didn't close below this wick. It didn't close below this wick. So there's no way we should be taking sales now. Though yes, it's very clear. Every retailer, when I asked this thing, everyone was saying this is going to be selling. Always let's sell, always let's sell, always let's sell, always let's sell. But we need confirmations now, right? So what would be our full TP? Our full TP would definitely be the next support, right? And how many pips are we going to have or see? We see a 48 pip move, and we now ask ourselves, is it worth it?
I'm sorry, obviously, but that's not the next support to like.
No, I'm talking about the immediate supports. We always target the immediate supports. I'm targeting the immediate supports because price can, get here, right, and reject back up. That's because there's a trend line here.
Yeah, yes. Like, I don't know if you can see, just like it's like a W, yes, there, yes, there is support there.
Support here.
Yes, sir.
Dynamic support and resistance. Nah, I don't think. If price is saying it's going to come here, it's going to come here.
But remember, it's a downtrend.
It's a downtrend, but now the pips, 50 pips. If you are taking a 50 pip trade, what will be our stop loss? 15 pips.
Yes, nice.
All right, so let's take GU. We are going to just target 50 pips, but with 15 pips.
Yeah, there are no weeks to fill though, so
yes, you could see it's not filling. This hasn't filled.
Yes, sir.
These things hasn't filled, and then price it didn't even close. We need a candle to close below this.
Close below.
Then another open, so it hasn't. So it's still a waiting game here, and I know lots of people will be taking these sells. Lots of people will be taking these sells. Lots of people will be taking these sells. So what do we do? What do you guys think? Should we just leave it, sell, or set a sell stop?
But this market is not even looking funny at all. It's very slow.
Currencies are that's why I always tell you that I don't like currencies. That's why I always stick to my US 30. US 30, 10 minutes you can get 100 points in there and you are done for the day. But with currencies, you can even wait 2 days just to take a trade that will even give you 13 pips and come back to. All right, so we'll come back to Euro USD, or we can set sell stops with just 17 pips stop loss, and we'll be targeting 50 pips. What do you guys think? Sell stops, right?
Cool.
Always, please, sometimes zoom out the chat so we can. Okay, sorry. I would be zooming out the chat, right? I'm sorry. To reverse around the gap area and hit stop loss, then push down. I'm also thinking that with that thing, it has to come here, trap a lot of traders. Let's sell. Then goes here before coming down. That's what I'm seeing. That is what I'm also seeing. Oh, it's beef small. Okay, let's beef. My mind day. Sell stop sounds pretty good to me. Yes, it does to me too. But then I think something like this, institutional traders would say, fake them out, cut them off right to where they wanted, and they'll be like, damn. So let's just be patient on Euro USD. It's a nice trade. Its candles are forming nicely, but just that I am suspecting an institutional trading. This is what's happening on odd USD. Odd USD would have a very, very, very big fall. Odd USD was our first trade for today. If you don't know, that is our first trade for today. Always, are you trading US30 today? Yes, I'm trading US30 today. Yesterday I didn't trade it. I traded it during the Sydney session, and I was very lucky that I hit my stop loss, my TP, before it reversed. I'm like, wow, inshallah. Something like this. Look, sell stops got activated, trade runs into profit, went to cut a lot of people out, and it's currently what's going to play out now. Institutional trading. If you don't know what institutional trading is, I've taught you for free. This can also serve as a semi-detached strategy, right? But I'll teach that strategy very, very later. A detached, I'll teach that strategy very, 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 very much later. Maybe for free, or maybe I'll charge $35. Alright, so that's what's happening there. That is why I try to put my stop loss far away from all these noise. Far away from all these noise. So let's see. That's what is going to happen on Euro USD, I think. It has to calm down, fake a lot of people, then someone says this is a rising wedge because you see a trend line, you see another trend line. This trend line has been rejected, so I think this is going to come here and have a breakout, a retest, then we'll see this whole move. Market anywhere, all USD is going to fall. Odd USD is going to fall. Right, so you can take this trade if you haven't, or add another position if you haven't, with same stop loss. But let's wait for Euro USD. The pips is not even encouraging to me. The pips itself is not encouraging to me. So that's what I think on odd USD. So let's talk about another pair. Let's check up Euro USD, then we talk about another pair. Take profit and stop loss is on the screen. This trade is a yesterday's trade. We took it yesterday. 40 pips stop loss, TP 110. The TP actually is 200 pips. US30 would move up, but wait for a correction before you enter. We will see. Oh, you are beefing already. I'm not. This is the name of my strategy.
How is it? I wanted to ask you. A pair like, let's say a pair that is against rubles, or maybe rubles against a pair.
It's an exotic. Okay, let's talk about USD rubles. What has
it? No, given that ruble is falling, don't you think it's a good time to trade it or something?
Is it falling?
Yeah, all of that happened yesterday.
After Putin did his thing, right?
Yeah, his speech, everything's still falling now.
Putin give pressure.
I saw Sibir Bank fall. The reason why I don't like trading Russian ruble is it's inconsistent. You see the way it moves, it's inconsistent. It doesn't have a clear trend. So it's very difficult to catch moves here. So Russian ruble, I'll be taking sells here, I think. But let's just leave it. I think it's going to fall more. it has formed clearly and it's going to this support. It has formed clearly. So clear. Entry, TP, stop loss. I like the way the price has rejected the zone. It's going to fall. It's going to fall. Always is a GOAT analytically. Thank you. I'm waiting for a signal on BTC to sell. BTC is a long-term sell. You know, I just gave out the one. I didn't give a signal. I gave out a warning for people to, you know, for people to maybe take their funds or something. You know, it's just a warning. Move your BTC to your. If you don't believe me, you can buy more BTC. You know, I don't control the market, so if you don't
buy the dip,
you can buy the dip and take advantage and make more money. Emperor of Blues, yes, Emperor. The whole what is the meaning of an emperor even? Guys, I'm waiting for next pair. Let's talk about next pair. Leave these beefs and stuff. What's the meaning of an emperor?
Check synthetics, bro.
A sovereign ruler of an empire. Wow.
Warlord.
A ruler, a sovereign king, monarch, a potentate, lord, overlord, king, Khan, Tsar, Kaiser. Brother, that's some big, you know. When they say you're an emperor, man, that's
some big shit.
That's some big shit. I seized this name from somewhere and I'm going to use it. It's a nice name. All right, let's talk about synthetics. Emperor of Blues. Wow. Emperor of Blues.
Scholarship Academy. That's what I saw.
Pardon?
I saw something like Scholarship Academy.
Scholarship Academy.
Like in your search something. Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Talking about your search.
Yeah. Last time someone was like, always, I need a scholarship to study abroad, and I searched that scholarship for the person. I think on these live streams.
It's calm.
Emperor. What is Emperor looking at on synthetics? Emperor. Maybe I should change my flyer and say live trading with the Emperor. All right, so what are we looking at on step index? All right, so Euro odd, GBP odd. I'll say, okay, quickly after this we will look at those charts. Definitely we need to make some money today. Definitely, most definitely. Okay, let's leave step index. Give me other pairs.
It's ranging, man.
It's ranging. There's nothing interesting there.
51ers.
All right, crashed. After crash 1,000, someone said a buy. Always is buying. All right, let me remove the RSI and look at what. I don't know. I haven't had interest in synthetics for a while. I don't know. Like, it's just like my spirit.
They come back now.
My spirit doesn't. It's been a long time I came on a chat like this looking at synthetics. I don't know. My spirit has been. I don't know.
We need to buy some normal stuff.
It has already broken out, and you should be looking for selling opportunities now, because it still needs to come up here, and we'll see how price will react with it. Alright, we'll see how price will react with it. The scholarship was for your academy. You want me to be giving scholarship for my academy? Oyana.
Write exam.
You have to come and write exam, pass the exams. I'll give you a demo account, make $30 million on it in one day. If you can pass it, I'll give you a scholarship. Always, I will advise. Will you advise your student to trade only synthetic indices? No, I don't trade it myself alone. Only that. Why would I advise someone to trade that alone? Or US30, what are we looking out for? I think US30, a break and retest wouldn't be bad here. Let's take sales on US30.
Yeah, the news.
There's no news released. There's no news released. But let's take sales on US30. There's going to be a risky trade. I don't know if anyone is seeing what I'm seeing.
Yeah, the break and retest, isn't it?
On my chart, though, I'm very bearish on US30 on my analysis.
Okay, so let's take a sell on US30. 40 minutes to market. Is it market open? Yeah.
Yeah.
We wait for that.
So let's take a sell on it. I'll give you a TPs and a stop loss later. Just sell it. I'll give the TP and stop loss later. Let me just send this to my 830, 33, 830. $140.
So the US30 trade you sent in the morning, was it an Australian section?
I traded it once I woke up. You know, when I woke up, I was very furious, very angry. You know.
So was it before Australian session or it was Australian session?
It was, I think, I don't really remember. It was during Sydney session. So it was during Sydney session. Then that's when I took the trade.
Okay.
I took the trade there. Yes, sir.
You're taking this trade now because of the retest, isn't it?
Yes, breakout, retest. It has to come somewhere. But it can go against me though. But let's see. So stop loss. Let me see. Stop loss. Let's put stop loss at 34,140. I don't know, but I hope I'm right. I'm putting stop loss at where stop loss is going to be kept, because if it breaks above this, that means it's danger, right? So yes, let's put stop loss there. TP, it can fall here. TP is going to be like 4. We have a 400 point opportunity, but what did I say? We don't target the whole 400 points, right? What did I say the other time? When a market
divided by 2.
Obviously, it has formed a double bottom on the 1D time frame. All right, let's check and see. Maybe I may be wrong. Double bottom. So Elvis, let's buy to this side. US30 legend disagrees, but yes, you can be right. Yes, you can be right. Price. Why are we looking for buys even? There should have been rejections, you know. There should have been some kind of rejections, you know. Then we would be looking for buys. And London 2 bought, so New York session is very likely to sell. So I don't know why. And the whole market is bearish, you know. There should have been rejections. Always, can I trade $15 for US30? Someone on the Zoom should reply for me.
You want to kill yourself?
Stay away, stay away.
Why are you
Just
guys
like a
laughing?
guy
Please,
broke our money.
it's
Someone serious money.
someone serious money. Please, let's not laugh. I've been in those days that I was also asking questions. Should I trade with? I was even asking, can I trade with $5? You know.
No, but seriously, stay away, bro.
Yeah, but seriously, yeah, stay away, bro. The gang, I said, if the gang says stay away, please stay away.
It's too risky.
Elvis,
Yes, sir.
please go to the 4 hours on US 30. Please, thank you.
Okay, what do you have on the 4 hour time frame?
No, like if US 30 should sell, it's free money. Like just look at the candle, like it's free money. Or
Yes,
if US 30
it
sells,
has
like,
to.
boom,
Yes, it has that. To sell
like
here.
boom, sweet money.
But it has been in profit though.
But very little. We can't be happy with
Yeah.
6 points profit and those things. We can't be excited.
Uh-huh.
I'll even be shy. You guys know it. All right, so sell US 30. I posted it on my live. Is it what was it?
Yeah,
Telegram,
please.
yeah, my Telegram page. Right. So this was a nice move that we caught on US 30 the other time. But like I said, past experiences or past trades are past trades. We are talking about today. TP 900, that means 500 is the ultimate TP. 500 is the ultimate TP. But then, let's put our TP at 800. Take for 800. That means we are targeting 150 points. So let's do that. So stop loss 1. Let's even do it 150. And I'll let you know when we are going to move stop loss to entry. What of Nasdaq? Okay, so for those with small accounts, I'll give you the Nasdaq trade. Give me just some few minutes. Okay, give me just some few minutes. TP is 34,800. That's 150 points. Our TP1 is 150 points. And our TP2, that should be somewhere here, 600 or 700. Okay, let me just type them. TP1 is 34,800. TP2, I also give a Nasdaq trade, is 34,700. That's going to be 250 points. 250 points. Nice. So let's see. Good luck to us.
Okay. Looks up possible.
Yes. TP1 about to be smashed. Always please check it well. What should I check well? Please let me know. Oh, 34. I'm sorry, it's 33. Right, that's the tip. It's 33. I'm sorry, 33. I'm so sorry, 33. So we just hit TP1.
Quick 1, 2, 3.
I'm so sorry, guys. Someone is saying always odd USD is in profit. Let's check that out. Let's check odd USD. Odd USD. Yes, that's for those that took a second trade. You guys are in profit, but for we that took the sell stop here, we are still in drawdowns. So yes, you are in profit. We are not. Okay, let's check Nasdaq too. Many were asking of Nasdaq, so let's check Nasdaq too. Quickly.
Sorry.
Or should we stop trading Nasdaq? Nasdaq should sell too, so now sell Nasdaq. I'm bearish on Nasdaq. Sell Nasdaq too. We are going to take 2 trades today. Sell Nasdaq too. Sell Nasdaq too. Sell Nasdaq too. Where would our TP be? Beautiful.
2 minutes to open.
2 minutes to New York open. The session opens soon. Sell Nasdaq too. Sell Nasdaq too. TP 720. I'll give the stop loss later. TP 13750. Sorry. Or let's target 780. Just 100 points, and we are done. We'll be done for the day. Maybe. I didn't want to take. So 2 trades, Nasdaq and US 30. Let's see what both of them are bringing to us. US 30, nice. I think I'll swing on this. I'll just leave it. I wanted to scalp, but I'll swing on this. To maybe 800 the first TP. Come on, give us TP2. Give us TP2. Thank you. Thank you. TP2 hits for, was it 800, right? No, 700. Nice.
You're cooking.
Let's check Nasdaq too. What's happening with Nasdaq?
The move.
Always, please, one more currency pair. You know, the reason why I don't want to bombard you guys with a lot of trades, it's very simple. This week is a manipulated week, right? Don't take more than 2 trades. Trust me, guys. Don't take more than 2 trades. Don't take more than 2 trades.
Stop loss for Nasdaq.
Pardon?
The stop loss for Nasdaq.
Yes, I'm coming. Okay, let me just finish this and give you the stop loss. Alright, is Nasdaq retracing? Okay, let's talk about Nasdaq since it's retracing.
Can I get a box for the 15 minutes?
That's why I didn't want to, Alright, so the stop loss will be somewhere here. If it breaks above this whole level, we are going to be out. If it breaks above, let's say, this, we are going to be out. The stop loss is going to be somewhere there. Where are we going to put the stop loss? I'm still holding it though. Let's see. Boss 33,800. What has 33,800 done? What's another name for Nasdaq? US 100, US Tech. Some brokers you see US 100, some brokers you see US Tech. Alright, so Nasdaq, put your stop loss here. Put your stops here. 1850. Yes, 1850.
Always.
Yes, sir.
You might want to look at your US 30.
Whoa! Whoa! I didn't even look. I wasn't even looking at my money. I was just focusing on, bro. Fuck out of here with your Nasdaq, 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 bro. TP1 smash 150 points live. Fuck out of here with your Nasdaq, bro.
Money, power time frame, fucking free money, free money.
Damn it. So TP1 smashed is on your screen.
Nasdaq is coming back.
800 for 150 points.
Nasdaq is gonna come back. It has come back.
US 30 TP2 may even smash for 250 points, and this is live, bro. This is live. This is live, bruh. This is live.
Nasdaq is coming back.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it will also follow through. This is live, bro. Not the $35 courses that you guys have been buying. Live, bro. Running 200 points.
Yeah, Miss Abutru.
Me have to talk. This is live, bro. This is live, bro.
What's the meaning of Abutru? Indicate me.
Miss Patient. Habibi, so no.
Damn, the move. Damn.
Bruh, I think we've already done for a day. Just 4 minutes in.
Just 4 minutes for 200 points running. Come on, man. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing, bruh.
You can't say against your papi.
I'm the papi, the emperor.
The papi.
The emperor. 200 points in 4 minutes.
All right, Nasdaq, let's go.
Nasdaq.
Oh, you and your Nasdaq should go sleep.
He's back, bro.
You and your Nasdaq should go and sleep.
Emperor blues. Hey, with your losing streak.
Damn.
Hey, you don't tell money.
About TP smash.
Final TP about to be smashed. You don't say smashed, smashed.
Nasdaq in profits.
Nasdaq in nice profits too.
Yeah. Nasdaq was playing around.
Back to back and back and back and front and back.
2 million pips.
Bro.
But Nasdaq hasn't even started.
Yeah.
Nasdaq hasn't even started.
It will start soon.
US 30 points to final TP. 30 points to final TP. Our TP is 33,400. Let's see if we can smash 250 points. I think you should break even if you still. Now US 30 is done, man. Like, I'm out. I'm out. We don't trade like that here. We are out, bro.
Not to be done, no, but we out. Okay. Hmm. 2,000 pips.
Bruh.
Emperor.
Ontiasia, Koda, 2,000 pips. Alright, so let's talk about Nasdaq. Let's focus on Nasdaq now. Those on the Nasdaq trade. Let's put our stop loss here.
Nasdaq maybe in an hour.
So Nasdaq could be our next trade. Let's put the stop loss here. 13,980. Right, stop loss 980. Let's put the stop loss there, and our TP should be somewhere here. Put the TP at not 7 because we are now risking too much, right? So the risk and reward should make sense. So put your TP. Where should we put our TP? We took a trade at 880, right? So 780, 100 points. Let's put the TP at 700. So we can smash some 180 points or something. So I'm still holding Nasdaq. I'm still holding Nasdaq.
Who is your daddy?
Man, for me, whenever I finish with my tips, I don't even want to see the chat. So, guys, we are done for today.
I swear.
We are done for today. Those holding Nasdaq, good luck to us. I'm holding Nasdaq too. Good luck to us. TP 13,700, stop loss 7,980. Apply proper risk according to how much you can. Now there's a semi, another semi. We will see the detached soon. Yes. Now we don't call it box strategy. We call it a semi-detached strategy, right? So we have the semi. We will see the detached soon. Right. So stop loss on Nasdaq. Stop loss on Nasdaq 13,980. Our TP 13,700. Good luck to us and see you guys. God bless everyone for joining, and I'm out. Benjamin, thank you. Emmanuel, thank you. Thank you. Eric Kwate, thank you. Olaro Wore, thank you.
Emperor Blues.
DeSanto, thank you. Yats, thank you. Thanks everyone for joining in, and thanks for watching. Those that watched us, do like this streams. Tag me on YouTube with your profits. Tag me on Instagram with your profits. Let's share. And God bless you guys. For today, I'm out.
Papi.
Tag me on Instagram at Sir Elvis Justice official _ and see you.